to activate deleted account on Badoo. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to activate deleted account on Badoo. If you don't know how to do this, I'll show you what this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Badoo app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here. And once you've opened it on your mobile phone, the first thing you're going to see at the top left corner of your screen is the chat. Here on the screen, whatever chat you have with anybody on Badoo app will be displayed on your screen. And at the top right corner of your screen, you see the timer icon with the notification icon. Also at the lower part of your screen, you see the chat icon, you see the nearby icon, that is the location icon. You also see the likes icon, the encounter icon with the profile icon. So Badoo app is basically about online dating. If you want to date anybody online, you can use the Badoo app to date the person online. So it's strictly about dating online, a relationship online. So that's the question: how to activate a deleted account on Badoo. You click on the profile icon, which is the last icon on the list. Once you click on the lower part of the screen, the profile page will be displayed on the screen. The first thing you're going to see at the top left corner of your screen is a box meant to show the profile picture. It has a profile picture, and you also see your name with your age. Then at the upper part of the screen, that's the right side. On the top right corner, you see the settings icon with a profile icon. So you also see the option to add photo if you want to add photo. So you can just scroll down through the page to just explore. So now back to the question. You click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, the page will be displayed on your screen. So you can just scroll through the page. Once you see the option to reactivate deleted account on Badoo, you click on it. But if you don't see the option, you click on Help Center. Help Center is just the option after account preferences. So you click on Help Center and you'll be directed to Badoo virtual agent, who is going to give answers to your questions and solutions to your complaints. So you have to be patient because you are being redirected to a virtual agent. Now, the page has loaded, and here we have various options of what people can ask about. So people can ask about the popular questions about Badoo, about profile verification, about accounts and accountants, about message and all that. So you just look for the one that suits your question, okay, and that is how to reactivate deleted Badoo account. So if you've seen the option, you click on it. You can click on setting up privacy. Okay, so you can click on any of this option. So once you see the option that suits the question, how to reactivate deleted Badoo account, click on it and instructions will be provided. And make sure you read and follow those instructions so that you successfully reactivate a deleted Badoo account. So this is simply how to reactivate deleted Badoo account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.